Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Valorant WAN 9006 error. This version of Vanguard requires Windows 20 H1 or later and may not function as expected. So to fix this issue, the first solution is to update your Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, click on Settings, click on Windows Update on the left. Then click on check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after updating your Windows, restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you can launch the Valorant and check error is fixed or not. Second solution is to verify Windows version compatibility. To check this, click on Windows icon, click on Settings. Then on the left, click on System, scroll down and then click on About. Here you will see the version of your system. In my case it is 24H2 and Valorant requires 20H1 or later. So in my case it is 24H2, so it will work on my PC. But in your case, if it is lower than 20H1, then you need to upgrade your system. If still your problem is not solved, then the third solution is to reinstall Valorant and Vanguard. To do so, click on Windows icon, then click on Settings, click on Apps on the left, then click on Installed Apps. Here search for Valorant, click on three dots and then click on Uninstall. Then in search for Vanguard, then click on three dots and uninstall Right Vanguard. After uninstalling Valorant and Right Vanguard, reinstall both of them and then you can launch the Valorant. Check when 9006 in Valorant has been fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.